students, today I have a surprise for you. Do you know what?
Teacher, what?
Students, today we are going to play a game. And the game name is hide and seek. Do you want to play with me? Are you ready? Let's start. Shazan, now you come here, Shazan. As you know, students, this is our activity corner. Okay, Shazan, now you tell me where is the letter C. Hurry up. Okay, Shazan, now you tell me where is the letter C.
This is letter C.
And what is the hidden inside?
Cat.
Wow! So do clap for Shazan. And the next turn, किसको कॉल करूं? Ali Abbas. Ali, you come here. Okay, Ali. Now you tell me where is the letter N. Wow, good, excellent. This is letter.
And
This is letter. Very good. Okay, Ali. Now you tell me what is the hidden inside letter N. Wow, good. Do clap for Ali Abbas. Next turn is किसको कॉल करूं? किसे कॉल करूं? इब्तहाज. इब्तहाज, now come here. Okay, इब्तहाज, आप मुझे बताएं where is the letter W. Ittihaj, now tell me what is hidden inside W.
watermelon.
Wow, good.
I love watermelon.
Oh, do clap for Ittihaj. Next turn is Zarwa Junaid. Zarwa, come here. Okay, Zarwa, now tell me where is letter H. Jaldi se ढूंढने, जल्दी से.
This is letter H.
Wow, very good. And what is the sound of letter H? Wow. And what is the hidden inside?
Horse.
Wow, good. Do clap for Zarwa Junaid. Next turn is किसको कॉल करूं? Ashtalfa. Come here, Ashtalfa. Okay, Ashtalfa, tell me where is the letter F. जल्दी से letter F search करें.
This is letter F.
Good. Ashtalfa, tell me what is the sound of letter F? What is the sound of letter F? Very good. And what is the hidden inside?
Oh.
Very good. To clap for Ashtalfa. Turn is किसको कॉल करूं? बरीरा. बरीरा, come here, बरीरा. बरीरा, तो जल्दी से मुझे बताएं कि where is the letter A. हरी अब जल्दी से सर्च करें. देखते हैं बरीरा ढूंढ लेंगी.
This is letter A.
Wow, very good. Okay, now tell me what is the sound of letter A.
F.
Wow, very good. And what is the hidden inside?
Alligator.
Wow, इसमें तो वाकई alligator